talk about the fact that we are midweek Wednesday,
Yes.
closer to the weekend, and also the dry weather on the horizon.
And dry weather we had pretty much all day today. Yeah, and really warm too.
True.
It'll be another warm night tonight. We won't drop out of the mid-50s. Let's take you outside right now. Here's our Wells Fargo sky cam looking down on our fair city of Portland. And it is amazingly 61 degrees here on the 10th of December at 5:17 at night. Just unbelievable how warm it is out there. Doppler radar not showing really any rain in the metro area. We're doing just fine. There are showers over the Coast Range and the Cascades. Western Washington, though, still getting hit pretty hard by this flow of moisture coming up from the deep tropics. And the rain in Oregon today, pretty pedestrian. Only 1/100th of an inch at the airport. We didn't have any measurable rain downtown this afternoon. And light amounts throughout the state, even Tillamook, just 28/100ths of an inch there. You go north, though, over 2 inches in Bellingham, over an inch in Seattle. And check out Stampede Pass, 4.5 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. Yikes. So that's why they still have flood watches and warnings going on up there. Now, when we look at the modeling for tonight and tomorrow, there's not much going on. It's showing the showers over the Coast Range pretty well, a few over the Cascades. Into tomorrow morning, okay, a few showers here and there, but the bulk of the rain will be well north of the Columbia River, and then it dries out tomorrow, and we're in pretty good shape. In fact, Friday and Saturday both look dry. We'll begin to get some rain coming back in later on Sunday, but tomorrow, a few showers early, and then it dries out, and we're still very mild. Low of 55, high of 58, not much of a temperature swing there because we are deeply in the warm air south of the jet stream, which is now powering its way really into Vancouver Island. It's been north of us, which is why we've been so mild, and it's going to stay that way. This is the atmospheric river flow, which is sort of getting cut off from its source region, which had been down here, okay? Now it's broken up, but there's still quite a bit of moisture aimed at Washington, which is, you can see that on the water vapor imagery. So they still got another 24 hours of very wet weather up that way for them. For us, really not much rain, 1/10 of an inch maybe. Even Mount Hood only a 1/2 an inch, which is great that we won't exacerbate the water situation up in the mountains or in the Coast Range. But as we go to next week, we start seeing precipitation add up again. The difference is, if this model actually verifies, which we all hope it does if you want mountain snow, this would be a snow pattern. Now, other models say, yeah, not so fast. It's not going to be this cool. But at least there are signs of hope that towards the middle and end of next week, we could begin to get some snow. And it could be rather impressive once we go through next week. So we'll wait and see. We've been teased by this several times in the last couple of weeks. Hopefully this will be the real deal. We'll just have to wait. 62 was our high in Portland today. How about Pendleton with 68 and 67 down in Roseburg? So really mild all around the state of Oregon. And it's still mild, 61 degrees, freezing level 11,000 feet, just super high. On the coast, showers. It'll be windy tonight and in the morning, but then the winds will finally lighten up and highs will be in the mid-50s there for the valleys. Also looking pretty good in the southern valley, just partly sunny. We'll have a few sprinkles north of roughly, say, Corvallis, but not a lot of rain. Corvallis will make 60, be close to that in McMinnville and Salem. And for the Portland area, we've got a few scattered showers. It'll be warm overnight, scattered showers in the morning, but then drying out, and then certainly dry on Friday and Saturday. Fog in the morning, lows dropping into the 40s finally by Saturday. Sunday, the showers come back, and then a little bit better chance of rain on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. But that will not be atmospheric river-esque rainfall, more typical and manageable for this time of the year.
Sounds good. Looking forward to that potential snowfall, though.
Let's hope it happens.
Yeah, later on. Thank you, Matt.